Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Manchester High from Manchester up against Jamaica College from St. Andrew. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Manchester High is represented this evening by team captain Matthew Dunkley, Kimarley Ferguson, Stefan Smart, and Jalissa Tracy. While Jamaica College is represented by team captain Jaheem Khoury, Mason J. Edwards, Jamarley Banton, and Marvin White. Hello and welcome to the first match in this best-of-3 semi-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. In this round, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the grand finals. It all comes down to this: these high schools have survived the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to advance to the final round? Not yet, Manchester. Let's find out. Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. JC won, but decided to send Manchester High in to bat first. So we begin with Manchester High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. With that, Manchester, we begin with literature. Who is the author of the novel A Boy Named Aussie?
A Boy Named Aussie. Jamaica Kincaid.
Jamaica Kincaid.
No, it's Earl Mackenzie, literature for Jamaica College. Who is the author of the novel The Extraordinarily Ordinary Baker Street?
Saul Bellew. Saul Bellew. Saul Bellew.
No, it's Jean Goldborn, international affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Santiago Peña. Santiago Peña.
President of Paraguay, you're on the board. International affairs for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Daniel Noboa.
Daniel Noboa.
Daniel Noboa.
President of Ecuador, correct. Jamaican heritage for Manchester. The traditional Jamaican dance, Dinky Mini, originated in what continent?
Africa.
Africa.
That's right, Jamaican heritage. JC, with what event is the Dinky Mini mostly associated?
Night.
Deaths or funerals? Yes, we'll accept. French Manchester, what does the verb se rhabiller mean?
Right. To go on a run.
To go on a run.
No, to get dressed again. French JC, what does the verb plier mean?
To fight.
Sorry?
To fight.
No, to fold or to bend. Music for Manchester. Listen to the following clip and identify the group here.
But I'm getting closer to the prize at the end of the rope. All night long.
Green Day.
Green Day.
No, it's the Foo Fighters. Music for JC. Listen to the following clip. Identify the group.
Best to feed her appetite, keep her coming every night.
Maroon 5.
That's right, Art. Which French post-impressionist artist painted the 19th century work, The White Cat?
The White and French post-impressionist. Alright. Paul Gauguin.
Paul Gauguin.
No, Pierre Bonnard. Art for JC. Which French post-impressionist artist painted the early 20th century work, Pyramid of Skulls?
Easy, man. Paul Cézanne.
Paul Cézanne.
Paul Cézanne.
Paul Cézanne, yes. Theatre and Cinema, Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Frances McDormand.
Frances McDormand.
That's right. Theatre and Cinema, JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
More sound.
Kathy Bates.
No, it's Charlene Swanky. Biology, Manchester. What is the common name for the medical condition which doctors refer to as myocardial infarction?
Heart attack.
Heart attack.
That's right. Biology, Jamaica College. What are the minuscule tube-like vessels which form a network between the human arteries and veins called?
Arteries and veins. Capillaries. Capillaries.
Capillaries.
That's right. Sport or visual one for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
English, right? Raheem Dunn.
No, it's Jofra Archer from England, JC. Your sport question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Ricky Ponting. Ricky Ponting. Yeah, Ricky Ponting.
Ricky Ponting.
No, Scott Boland, an Australian cricketer. English language, Manchester. Identify the adverb in this sentence. We worked together on the project.
Together.
Together.
Good. English language, JC. Identify the adverb in the sentence. He performs adequately at work.
Adequately.
Adequately.
That's right. Physics for Manchester. What is the displacement covered by an object which accelerates from rest to 60 meters per second in 3 seconds?
Meters.
180 meters.
No, 90 meters. Physics, JC. If an object is moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second and has a kinetic energy of 100 joules, what is its mass?
25 divided by. So
25.
8
kilograms.
8 kilograms.
That's right. And that's the bell already. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Manchester High on 5, Jamaica College just ahead on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge, the semi-final match in schools. Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.